What's up you guys, this is Hinanshi Sangvi. I hope you all are safe and fine and welcome back to my channel. This video is about a bungalow tour in Umairgaon, which is my dad's friend's bungalow. It's worth vlogging, that's why I vlogged it, and a video of all the fun that me and my cousins did over here and a bit of shopping in Umairgaon. So let's get started. Mandola. Guys, this is the entrance of the bungalow. There are parking for 3 cars. There's a parking there for another car. And let's go inside because I can't wait to show you all the actual bungalow. So come. So that's the property. I mean, look at the whole bungalow. So I'll tell you all how the structure is divided. There's one room over there. The second room is over there. And 2 more rooms behind it. Basically, the rooms are in the 4 corners. And the best part is that the dining area, the kitchen, and the living room, the playroom, everything is literally a glass house, if you all can see over there. So I'll show you all the rooms and I'll show you all a bit of details. Let's go inside. Come. So let's go to the first room, which is this room. The first room, avoid the mess in the room. Look at the room, there's a sofa over there, the bed is here. And come, I'll show you all the washroom, which is the best part of all the 4 rooms. So this is like a walk-in wardrobe over here. Again, avoid the mess. I'm sorry for the mess. This is the commode and this is the jacuzzi. So basically a bathtub kind of thing in all the 4 rooms. Isn't it so cool? I can stay my life over here. And the best view from the room is this. As I told you, it's more like a glass house. Look at this, guys. So you wake up to this view every morning and it's so pretty. Look at this, it's so pretty, oh my god. All the 4 rooms are pretty much similar, so I'm going to show you all other things. This is like a sitting lounge over here. And this is my personal favorite room because it has a pool table over here. Oops, sorry. मेरा shot जाता है अंदर, guys. And they also have cabin in another room. This place is basically made for children because mud है तो बच्चे इधर खेल सकते हैं तो वो लोग गिरेंगे तो उनको लगेगा नहीं. Isn't it so cool? This is like the playroom. And let's go ahead. What do you think?
Sorry, it's not a winner shot. You're losing.
ये winner shot है. देख सकते हो 100 रुपए रेडी है winner shot के लिए. Yes. 3. Sorry. How do you feel?
Winner shot.
Yeah, let's see the puppet shot.
Losers.
In the end, हम जीत गए. मतलब हम नहीं, हम जीत गए because the winner shot was done by me.
उसको मारो.
उसको easy पकड़.
टच कर लेना कृपया करके. Please touch. Here she goes.
So another thing is, do you want to go upstairs and see what there is? There's nothing much upstairs, but it's just like cool because it's upstairs. You can chill here at night with all your friends, cousins, and play high-level songs. Unless, if you all want to sit at the pool, that's a different thing. But this is also a pretty good place to chill at if you all don't want to sit in the rooms or the hall. Now, let me show you all another rooms and the other places. This is the second room. I'm not going to show you all the rooms detailed because they are pretty much similar. So unfortunately the dining room and the living room, like the hall, is pretty much crowded. So I'm going to show you all that later. Let's go to the pool. And this is the pool. It has a nice 6-seater jacuzzi over here. The pool is technically 2 to 3 feet on this side and 5 feet on that side. So it's fine, like it's like a chill pool and all. This is a perfect place for a pool party. Guys, I'm going to keep one soon, so stay tuned for my other videos. I literally got this costume because I've not even worn it once in my life. You all can see the tag. I तो सोचा था मस्त swimming करूँगी. I think getting the costume was good because after all I had a lot of fun in the costume itself. So I don't think it was bad getting the costume. So overall the bungalow is like 50,000 square feet, around 50,000 square feet, and the best part is, I mean, look at this whole place which has been left. इधर पूरा दिन क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, बैडमिंटन खेल सकते हैं, you can do anything you want. Wake up in the morning, do a walk for 40 minutes. This is everything that you want in life. A nice bungalow, a cozy room, a nice space, and more importantly, peace. I mean, it's so much peaceful, guys. I can literally stay here and paint for my life. This is the third room. Again, as I told you all, it's similar. The curtains, if you open up, it's a glass door. But the only difference in this room is that the jacuzzi like I have in this room is 2-seaters, and the other room there was a 1-seater bathtub or jacuzzi. I can sleep here. This is okay. If I have room, इतना नहीं ना मुझे चलेगा. मैं इतने room में रह सकती हूँ. This is so nice. Indian tarika to fill the bathtub faster.
National jacuzzi. National jacuzzi.
कैसे जकूज़ी का पानी?
Unfortunately, this is the most messiest room out of all because you all can guess it. It's Mera and my sisters का group, and girls are so messy. मतलब कपड़े सब इधर उधर fall के ready होना है फटाफट. That's it, guys. Let's go to the 4th room. And as I told you all that the rooms are in 4 different corners, so I showed you all the 3 rooms, and this is the 4th room. Again, the rooms are similar. Oh, क्या ठंडी लग रही है, मस्त. So that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna take you all directly to the kitchen, like the kitchen, the bar, the dining room, and the hall once it's like thoda khali. So stay tuned.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ta-da-da-da.
So we all have just got ready for the beach, and we all are wearing nice dresses. Look at the girls, Russian girls over here. Ooh. 10 minutes from the beach, there was a shooting going on for Dance Divane, which comes on Colors. So we had gone to see the set. So we entered the gate and stuff, but after a point we were not allowed to shoot. And also they did not allow us to go much inside, but it was fun going and seeing the whole backside of a TV show. It's so scary to walk in the middle of the bungalow like this at night. मतलब क्या डर लगता है एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में जाने में, इतना दूर है एक तो सारे रूम्स. So now let me take you all to the living room and then the dining area. So that's the living room. Again, the best part is the glass house, and look at these amazing chairs over here. You can rest, chill. I can literally sleep here. पूरा दिन इधर बैठ के TV देख सकते हैं. And there's a lot more. The best part out of all is that this particular dining room connects to the kitchen. Come around with me. Over here. That's the kitchen, and over there is the bar counter. This is the dining hall. Basically, the dining area, the bar, and the kitchen over there. Isn't it amazing? And it connects. This thing connects directly to the pool that I've obviously shown you all previously. So guys, that's the whole bungalow. It's literally 7:30 in the morning, and we have come here for shopping. वो भी किसका? कुर्ती का shopping. And trust me, the kurtis are amazing. ऐसा मैंने सुना है. So let's see. Let's go check it out. that we had gone to shop kurtis in Umergao, which is kind of shocking that you would get such nice stuffs. But I did not get much, but my sisters did. So I got one outfit which I'm wearing right now, which I'll show you all completely. It's like a bottom and a t-shirt, and it's Indo-Western, so it's kind of cool and it's completely my vibe. It's worth it because I got the whole set in only 700 rupees, which is like too cheap, and the set looks amazing. So as you all can see, it's a two-piece set, the top being a high-low kind and the pants being like a palazzo type. So guys, I think it's pretty good, but I mean it's worth it. And yeah, it's completely Indo-Western, isn't it? And it suits me. It's a bit loose because my size was not available, but I loved the set so much that I got it and I decided that I'll get it altered really soon. But I wanted to show you all. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and stay tuned for more videos.